make sure first that you do have the charger and that you can use it. Now, once you turn on the computer, once it's on this screen, locate the restart button right here. Now, before you hit restart, make sure press down the shift key, hit restart, and now it's gonna take you to the bootloader. Continue holding the shift key. Once this screen comes up, select troubleshooting, reset this PC, remove everything. When you press it, it's gonna kind of take you to another screen similar to that one. The reset shouldn't take less than 5 minutes. However, when it's coming back on, and when this comes up, it's telling you just remove my files or fully clean the drive. Now, if you select just remove my files, it takes a few minutes. Fully clean the drive, this can take about an hour. And make sure it's plugged in. Now, as I was saying, this step shouldn't take any more than 5 minutes. Now, the next step, which is what's about to start doing right now, should about take 1 hour, maybe an hour and a half, depending on how fast the computer is. This video also, I'll be showing you the next step in case this does not work, which is using a USB drive. Now, before you use a USB drive, locate, and I will share in the description the link that you can download, or a video tutorial where to go and to download the Windows 10 on a USB drive, so you can perform the next step in case if this doesn't work. This usually works on all the laptops. However, there's sometimes that it's encrypted, so you need an extra step using a USB. depending on your computer, how old, how new. Sometimes it takes longer, as you can see. Usually with a newer computer, this does not take longer than 5 minutes. Since this one is a little bit older, it's running a little bit slower, and it could be the size of the files that's on the laptop. Now, just to be clear, this is not the reset yet. This step is not resetting everything on the device. This is preparing so the laptop can reset everything on the hard drive. So finally, it started working. It took 10 minutes. Now you would find this option, reset this PC. Now it's telling you what you would be losing. So you hit reset. And as you can see right now, it's resetting, and it will start counting up to 100 with a percentage. Now this option will take maybe about an hour. So I'll turn off the camera, turn it back on once that reaches 99 or in the 90s so I can show you the countdown. Thank you.